Hello subscribers and hello YouTube viewers. On this occasion we're off to the Studley Park Boathouse, which is located at 1 Boathouse Road in Kew, Victoria, Australia. I'll do my best to keep the history of the place quite brief, but the Studley Boathouse is the first boathouse in Melbourne's history. Back in 1863, the Byrne family established the first boathouse on the Yarra River and named it Riversdale. Today, that same boathouse is known as Studley Park Boathouse. Now, the boathouse is just a 10 to 15 minute drive or ride from the Melbourne CBD or Central Business District. In 1992, Heritage Architects developed a restoration plan and the boathouse was re-roofed, rewired and refitted while maintaining all its original character and ambience. Studley Boathouse has also been the location of the TV soapie Neighbours, the Sullivans, including the TV miniseries Power Without Glory and the movie Squizzy Taylor. What I'll also do is, in the description of this video, I'll attach the actual website for the Studley Boathouse so you'll know how to book a table, arrange a function, and also what's available to eat and drink and the hours of operation. There's also a number of other things on their own website which is worth having a look at. So here we are. Morning.
There's decking on the other side of the pool, which means there's no
Now, just a quick note, if you are a cyclist, it is possible to ride your bike from the Central Business District of Melbourne all the way to this location and even further. There are quite a number of bicycle tracks that are safe, and there's also a number of locations where you can stop, take a break with some bathrooms and drinking water available. Also, if you are a keen walker, I'd suggest probably to catch a tram out this way. There's a number of trams that come very close. It's just a matter of looking at those maps and working out where you're coming from on what brings you the closest to this location. Also, if you're bringing a dog, dogs are more than welcome at the boathouse, and they provide little bowls for them to drink out of, and it is a dog-friendly place.
And off they go. Away, guys. My intentions are not to upset you. You're standing very proud there, whereas you're just hanging out.
So here we are coming to the end of the presentation. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, by all means, give us that thumbs up. If you can, it'll be great if you could subscribe also. It doesn't cost you 1 cent, but really does help the channel out. But most importantly, stay safe, commute safe, and have a great day.